So welcome to this lab session 1, experiment verification of De Morgan theorems for two variable and SOP expression and POS expression using universal gate and basic gates. So let us start with the first theorem, De Morgan's first statement. It states that complement of the product is equal to sum of the individual complements. That means A dot B bar equals A bar plus B bar. A dot B bar is logically equivalent to A bar plus B bar. So this can be demonstrated by using truth table approach. So if you prove that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. See, for that, so we need, so this is a circuit diagram. Basically it is 7408 AND gate followed by NOT gate. So is equivalent is AB bar. So in the other side, so you are proving that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. See, for that you are using NOT gate and 7432. Okay, this first part LHS, the second part is RHS. We are proving that LHS is equal to RHS. See, for first part, so you are using 7408 and 7404, and second part RHS part you are using 7404 and 7432. Okay, so let us see. So this is the experimental setup. You are using a IC trainer kit. In this case I am using first slot, it is 7404, and the second slot I am using 7408. Okay, and in the third slot I am using 7432. Okay, so in this first slot it is a 16 pin IC socket. So in that you are mounting 14 pin IC starting from 1 to 7, and remaining 8 and 9 are left open. So 10 becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Similarly, so you can place the IC in the second socket and third socket, and VCC and ground. First you can connect 7 is ground, 7 of second IC, 7 of third IC. Similarly, VCC of first, second and third, do the connections and connect A, and these are the input lines, these are output lines. There are 12 input lines, there are 12 output lines. Out of that I am using A and B are the inputs, and LHS output red, RHS output is green, black. So in this case, so according to statement, so complement of the product is equal to the sum of the individual complements. So AB bar, it is nothing but basically is a NAND operations. Okay, NAND operation can be implemented by using AND gate followed by NOT gate, that is nothing but NAND gate. So NAND gate truth table, because of two input there are 4 possible combinations of inputs. It may be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So in this case, so let us take for 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 combinations. For 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, output is 1 1 1. For 1 1 0, it is LHS. The same thing can be implemented. So AB bar, we are proving that is equal to A bar plus B bar. For that also same A and B input only. So output is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 input combination. Output is 1 1 1 0. So here also 1 1 1 0. Okay, AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar for all the possible input combinations of A and B. So let us see. You can, so let us assume that this circuit is already rigged. Okay, I am connecting VCC and ground and A and B inputs and connecting the output. So this is the corresponding A dot B bar output. This is A bar plus B bar output. Okay, when this is true, this is also true. That means AB bar is true is equal to, is same as A bar plus B bar. Okay, let us turn on the supply. So this is the toggle switch. Say it is 0 0. So 0 0 can be indicated by low on the LED. So if it is 0 0, according to truth table you are getting is 1. So LHS is 1, RHS is also 1. If it is 0 1, 0 1. Still, see, now you can observe it. The LED input LEDs indicates on, that is 1. So this is off, this is 0. 0 1 input combination, output is true for LHS. Same way it is true for RHS also. Then LHS is equal to RHS, proved for 0 1 combinations. For A is 1, B is 0. Now you can observe it. A is indicated logic 1 on the LED, B is logic 0 on the LED. For this 1 0 combination also, output is 1 1. You are proving that LHS is equal to RHS. Now you can change the input combination to 4 possible combinations. Both are 1 1. Now you can observe that both the LEDs are off. That means, so when both are 1 1, output is false. For LHS equal to 0, RHS equals to 0. Hence, we are proving that De Morgan's first statement, complement of the product is equal to sum of the individual complements. Hence, by truth table approach, we verify the De Morgan first statement. Now, so this is the second setup to prove that De Morgan's second theorem states that complement of the sum is equal to product of the individual complements. That is, A plus B bar equals A bar dot B bar. Okay. Similar to a first theorem, you also can prove that A plus B bar is same as A bar dot B bar by using truth table approach. So in this setup, it requires 3 ICs. One is NOT gate 7404 and other one is 7408 and third one is 7432. Okay. So now as per the circuit connections, so you can connect ground for pin number 7, VCC for pin number 14 for all the 3 ICs, and do the connections as per the circuit diagram. Okay. So there are 2 inputs, see A input, B input. This is LHS A plus B bar. This is RHS A bar into B bar. So this is the experimental setup. Already I rigged up the circuit diagram. So now turn on the power supply by switching on the power supply. So these are the 2 LED indications. Okay, already connected. So this A, B input combinations I am connected. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 according to circuit operations. When A is 0, B is 0. Okay. So A plus B bar 0 plus 0, 0, 0 bar is equal to 1. Hence your LHS must be 1. Similarly, so these are RHS equations. This is output of A bar dot B bar. Hence you are proving that A plus B bar is equal to A bar into B bar. For A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Now we can vary the input. Since there are 2 input, there are 4 possible combinations. For 0 0 setup, you are getting the output is 1 LHS. For RHS also 1. Now we can vary the input from 0 to 1. Both the outputs are 0. So according to circuit operations, when 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 bar is equal to 0, output is 0 for LHS. Similarly, here is A bar into B bar. Okay, A is equal to 0, A bar is 1, B is equal to 1, B bar is equal to 0, 1 into 0, 0, hence output is verified for 0 1 combinations. Now, if A is 1, B is 0, again output is logic 0 for both LHS and RHS, that is A plus B bar and A bar into B bar. Now coming to a fourth operation, when A is 1, B is 1. So A is 1, B is 1, A plus B bar 1 plus 1, 1, 1 bar is equal to 0, output is 0. In this case A bar into B bar. A is 1, A bar is 0, B is 1, B bar is 0, 0 into 0, 0, hence output is 0. So in this way, you are verifying that De Morgan's second statement, complement of the sum is equal to the product of the individual complements. Is it clear? So this is a very simple experiment. Only thing is have to make a proper connections. Okay, the foremost thing have to be take a, in this case, IC orientation. See pin number 1 they represent in this direction, so your arch should come towards your VCC. If you put arch in the reverse directions, your VCC and ground are interchanged, all the pin configuration will be reversed, hence your IC will be burned out. So very careful while placing the IC into a socket. First point. Second thing is, once you place the IC, you must lock the latch for proper interconnections between the IC latch with respect to pin numbers. Okay. So this concludes verification of De Morgan theorems, first as well as second. Okay.